Hey, my name is Janet. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about gas valve for Frymaster part number 8071604. The Frymaster 8071604 gas valve is a replacement part for Frymaster fryers. It is designed to control the flow of gas to the fryer and regulate the temperature. The valve is made of brass and has a half NPT inlet and outlet. It also features a manual shut-off valve, which allows you to manually shut off the gas supply in case of an emergency. The valve has a maximum pressure rating of 1/2 psi and a maximum temperature rating of 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 204 degrees Celsius. This gas valve is an essential part for any Frymaster fryer, as it helps ensure that your fryer operates safely. This part fixes the following symptoms. This gas valve is designed to replace the existing gas valve on a Frymaster fryer. It can help to fix issues such as poor heat control, low flame, or an intermittent flame. Here is how you install this part. 1. Shut off the gas supply to the fryer. 2. Disconnect the existing gas valve from the fryer. 3. Install the new gas valve using a wrench to tighten the connections. 4. Connect the gas supply line to the new valve and tighten with a wrench. 5. Turn on the gas supply and check for leaks using a soapy water solution or leak detector spray. 6. Once all connections are secure and no leaks are detected, turn on the fryer and test for proper operation. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.